What's up, guys? Welcome to this YouTube channel where we learn all about electronics and technology. Well, in this channel I will just summarize the basic things and the advanced and the intermediate things that we shall be covering in this channel. The first thing, we shall be talking about basic electronics. Well, when I speak or when I mentioned about basic electronics, what am I talking about? I'm talking about basic things. The basic things are things like we have the resistors, we have the capacitors, the transistors. How do you use resistors? How can we use a resistor to model a simple voltage divider for your project? For instance, you want 2.569 voltage. How do you get such? You want to have a current divider. How do you make it? Using resistors without having them burn because of the power dissipated. Note, when you use the Ohm's law, there is always the other place of I square and R, the power dissipated, which makes the resistors blow. Well, we shall see how do we make them without them blowing. Well, we shall also in this journey discuss of basic electronics, some things like FETs. How do we use FETs as our switches, the electronic switches? How do we use MOSFET as our switches? How do we apply them in our projects? Well, how do we use them in motor drives? How do we use the H-bridges for our project? Okay, well, we shall also cover some things like SCRs, the diodes, the triacs. How do we apply them for our project? How do we use them for power regulations? We use triacs and diodes for power regulations. How do we control power using triacs and diodes? We shall also see the TTL. How do we use a TTL? How can we apply them? How do we calculate the time delay, the power dissipated of each of them? Because if you wanna apply them in your project, you must know the specification of each of them. Okay, we shall also cover in this YouTube channel about microprocessors and microcontrollers, the Raspberry Pi, the Arduino. How do you code them using the C++, the C, the .NET, the Arduino, the Python language, and also we shall see about design. Have you heard of a design? You want a 3 volts from 415 volts. You want a 3 volts from 240 volts. How do you get it? Which software can you use? In this channel you'll get such answers, and not only answers but a DIY, do it yourself at your home. Well, we shall use softwares like Proteus, Higo. We have some softwares like Multisim, which is a very nice software. We have some softwares like Circuit Maker, which is a very nice software for digital electronics design. We shall also cover some software like Constructor. Constructor is a very nice software. Have you heard of contactors, timers, overload release? We shall cover such in that software. Well, we have another part, a bunch full of things. We shall cover about sensors. Have you heard of smoke sensors? Have you heard of PIR sensors? Have you heard of IR sensors? Have you heard of vibration sensors, the load cells? The P27262 transmitters and receivers. How can you receive signals using a remote, and then you convert the same signal into a digital signal so that you can either control and how to end of release? We shall cover such in this channel. I welcome you, and may you subscribe this channel, and let's work together in the journey of electronics. And also we shall be seeing other things like IoT project. How do we integrate IoT, Internet of Things, into our project? And it shall be amazing, guys. May you subscribe, thumb up, encourage me, and let's move together. Thank you, guys.